Dear learners, welcome to my YouTube channel Study with Uhaf. ছাত্ৰ-ছাত্ৰী সকল আজিৰ ভিডিঅ' পাঠত মই হাইস্কুল শিক্ষান্ত পৰীক্ষা 1998 ৰ পৰা 2020 লৈ ভয়েস চেঞ্জৰ ওপৰত যিবিলাক প্ৰশ্ন হৈছিল যিখিনি ভয়েস চেঞ্জ কৰিব দিয়া হৈছিল সেই গোটেইখিনি এইটো ভিডিঅ'ত আলোচনা কৰা হ'ব। ছাত্ৰ-ছাত্ৰী সকল তোমালোকৰ মিছন 2021 ৰ এইটো এটা খুব গুৰুত্বপূৰ্ণ ভিডিঅ' তোমালোকে যোৱা 22 বছৰৰ প্ৰশ্ন কাকতৰ ভয়েস চেঞ্জ বিলাক জানিব পাৰিবা শিকিব পাৰিবা। পলম নকৰি আলোচনা আৰম্ভ কৰোঁ। HSLC exam 1998 দিয়া প্ৰশ্নবিলাক আছিল We have completed the arrangement for the fair. The patient is being examined by a doctor. প্ৰথমটো sentence present perfect tense ইয়াতে object was the arrangement. The arrangement for the fair have been completed by us. Second sentence, the patient is being examined by a doctor. Passive voice or বাক্য object a doctor, object to subject of a doctor is examining the patient. Second sentence to present continuous tense. 1999 or the dog bites strangers. He was taken to hospital. First sentence to object strangers. So present indefinite tense or বাক্য প্রথম টু strangers are bitten by the dog. Second sentence to সোয়া he was taken to hospital. Passive voice or ইয়াত কোনো ধৰণৰ অবজেক্ট নাই যাৰ বাবে আমি ইয়াতে সাবজেক্ট ধৰি ল'ব লাগিব। Someone took him to hospital. Next 2000ত দিয়া প্ৰশ্নবিলাক আছিল You should not raise this question now. The breeze was completed in a record time. So, prothom to sentence this question object this question should not be raised now. You to likhilo hobo by you nilikhilo shuddho hobo. Next sentence to the breeze was completed passive voice in a record time. Yate a sentence to object নাই কোনে কৰিছিল ব্ৰিজ কমপ্লিট কোনে কৰিছিল দা ওয়ার্কার্স সো আমি সাবজেক্ট হিসাবে ললো দা ওয়ার্কার্স কমপ্লিটেড দা ব্রিজ ইন এ রেকর্ড টাইম নেক্সট 2001 ত দে সে দ্যাট হি ইজ এ সেইন্ট সেকেন্ড কোয়েশ্চন টু আছিল ওয়াজ এ টাইগার কিল্ড বাই দা হান্টার প্ৰথমটো ভয়েস চেঞ্জ কৰিবলৈ হলে আমি subject to consider koribo lagibo. It is said by them that he is a saint. Prothom to questioner they say at a part that he is a saint at a part. That to hoise conjunction. So yate prothom to part ami voice change korim they say teuluke koisil yate kak koisil etu dia hua nai. So it is said etu koa hoisil by them that he is a saint. Next sentence, was a tiger killed by the hunter? Did the hunter kill the tiger? 2002 people speak English all over the world. The stage was decorated by the students. The first one active voice, the second one is in passive voice. So prothom to sentence object as English is spoken all over the world by whom? By people. So people to likhilo hobo ni likhilo correct hobo. The stage was decorated by the students. Who decorated? The students. The students is the subject hobo active voice. The students decorated the stage. Past indefinite tense or sentence. Next 2003 a doctor is examining the patients. The tiger was killed by the hunter. এই question দুটা 99 আৰু 2000 or question repeat করা হয়েছে এটু repeat করিছে so প্রথমটো হবো the patients are being examined by a doctor the hunter killed the tiger some boys broke the window panes they have completed the work the window panes were broken by some boys নিদিলেও শুদ্ধ হব they have completed the work present perfect tense or বাক্য the work has been completed by them খুব সহজ বাক্য এটু next 2005 the teacher is correcting our copies present continuous tense or sentence my book has been stolen present perfect tense the teacher is correcting our copies are being corrected by the teacher my book has been stolen it passive voice আছে active করিলে someone has stolen my book যেহেতু বাক্যটোত অবজেক্ট নাই তো অবজেক্ট আমি এটা কনসিডার করিলো someone next 2006 our teacher buys books every month and second one I do not know his address দুটা সেন্টেন্স অ্যাক্টিভ ফর্ম আমি প্যাসিভ ফর্ম লৈ লব লাগে so object আছে প্রথমটো সেন্টেন্সত books our teacher buys books are bought by our teacher every month I do not know his address object is here his address his address is not known to me 2007 I have posted the letter the lady helps the poor both sentence are in active form so passive form the first one is the letters have been posted by me and second one the lady helps the poor object is here the poor is helped the lady next 2008 he is writing a letter the hunter killed the tiger passive form is here a letter is being written by him the hunter killed the tiger was killed by the hunter কিছুমান কোয়েশ্চন আছে 2-3 বছৰৰ মুৰে মুৰে ৰিপিট কৰা হৈছে 2009 the workers repaired the bridge I have bought a few books দুটা সেন্টেন্স অ্যাক্টিভ ফর্মৰ প্যাসিভ কৰিলে the bridge was repaired by the workers I have bought a few books have been bought by me 2010 we discussed the matter thoroughly I delivered all the letters voice change korile the matter was discussed thoroughly by us next to all the letters were delivered by me next 2011 the members elected him secretary the grandmother looks after the child he was elected secretary by the members the grandmother looks after the child the child is looked after by the grandmother 2012 children like sweets by whom can this be done sweets are liked by children who can do this it's very easy question paper of 2013 is not available so jump to 2014 accidents are caused by carelessness who did this work carelessness causes accidents and second sentence who did this work by whom this work was done next 2015 we were surprised at his conduct why did your father refuse such an honorable job some sentence to basic form ase yate active koribo laga hol his conduct is subject here so his conduct surprised us and second sentence why was such an honorable job refused by your father so interrogative sentence এটা কথা মনত ৰাখিবা পেসিভ ভয়েস কৰিলেও ইন্ট্ৰোগেটিভে হ'ব The students elected him secretary question to repeat কৰিছে আৰু the stage was decorated by the students দুটা প্ৰশ্নই আগৰ question paper বিলাকৰ পৰা ৰিপিট কৰা হৈছে He was elected secretary by the students Next to the students decorated the stage Next move to 2017 People speak English all over the world America was discovered by Columbus. So, প্ৰথমটো sentence object এটো প্ৰথমটো sentence repeat কৰা হৈছে এই questionটো পিছৰ বৰ্ষবিলাকত দিয়া হৈছিলে কোনবা এটা বৰ্ষত আহিছিলে So, English is spoken all over the world by the people এটো মেনশন কৰিলেও হ'ব নকৰিলেও হ'ব America was discovered by Columbus. এই সেন্টেন্সটোত Columbus passive voice আছে so Columbus discovered America খুবই সহজ next 2018 or question খিনি চাও আমি the letters have been posted he did the work alone so প্ৰথমটো সেন্টেন্সত object নাই so object to আমি consider কৰিলো someone have posted the letter second to sentence he did the work alone Object as the work was done by him alone. 2019 I have lost my English textbook. He was punished for his misconduct. Yate my English textbook object. So my English textbook has been lost by me. Second sentence too. He was punished for his misconduct. Object নাই passive voice sentence etu so who punished him teacher elder someone so yate moi subject hisabe consider korisu teacher naiba elder ru dibo para jabo punished him for his misconduct hekhor orthat 2020 I do not know his brother English is spoken by many people all over the world sentence tutor voice korile his brother is not known to me his brother is not known to me to repeat korise question to aru English is spoken by many people all over the world it will last in 2018 or 2017 or question repeat kora hoise duita proshno duita voice e agor borkho bilakot ahisil so many people speak English all over the world ছাত্ৰ ছাত্ৰী সকল last 22 years voice change কৰিবলৈ দিয়া প্ৰশ্ন বিলাক মই এইটো ভিডিওৰ যোগেদি তোমালোকলৈ আগবঢ়ালো ছাত্ৰ ছাত্ৰী সকল মই আশা কৰো তোমালোকে মোৰ ভিডিওটোৰ পৰা voice change ৰ ওপৰত বহুখিনি কথা জানিলা আৰু ইয়াতে যদি তোমালোকৰ কিবা কনফিউজ আছে ভিডিওটোত মোৰ কন্টাক্ট নাম্বাৰ আছে লগতে মোৰ চেনেলৰ লিংকত তোমালোকে কমেন্ট কৰি জনাব পাৰিবা নাইবা ফোনতো কন্টাক্ট কৰিব পাৰিবা কন্টাক্ট নাম্বাৰ ইয়াতে সন্নিবিষ্ট কৰা হৈছে ছাত্ৰ ছাত্ৰীসকল আজিলৈ ইমানতে থ্যাংক ইউ ফৰ ওয়াচিং the video have a good day